Bula, my friends, on a wet it's a wet Thursday. Rain sort of chilled for a bit here in the beautiful land of Van City. Guys, today I want to ask you something. A serious question here. Do you guys believe everything you hear? Do you believe everything you read? Do you believe everything you see? Why do I ask that question? Why do I bring this up? Because we live in a society today that is so so fictional, that is unbelievable of what we see and read and hear on these little devices that we have today. Now, I know some of you guys don't believe me, and I don't want you to believe me. I just want you guys to do. How do you steal your mind? How do I steal my mind? I focus on the candle flame. How did I learn to breathe? I watched Wim Hof. I learned to breathe. How do I vibrate? I do use ancient chants from the past, guys. I still my mind, I breathe, and I meditate, and I vibrate. And that ain't no lie, because you guys can do it yourself. You could try it out. So I don't ask you to believe me, I just ask you to do it. There's so many so many things out there that you have to believe it, do it, and then you know. Then you know. And that's the only way to do it, guys. Don't believe everything that you hear. Hey, do this, you get that. Do this, you're gonna do that. Unless you try it. Okay? You have to do your own research. You have to do your own belief system to create your happiness and your fulfillment in life. If that makes sense. Because there's a lot of bull that goes around. It does, man. There's so much of it. It's unbelievable. But I'm just here to tell you straight up. This is who I am, man. I ain't nobody special. I ain't nobody but just some guy going on a walk, and you come with me. And I thank you for coming on this walk with me. I'm blessed, you know what I mean? I'm blessed. I'm blessed to be outside. I am blessed to be here with my buddy Red. Where's Red? Red, come say hi. Come say hi, buddy. Come say hi. Look at that smile. Good boy. That's just who I am, man. It is who I am. And like you, I'm going down this path of righteousness, being humbled by who I believe in and who I know I am. So guys, again, don't believe everything you hear. Don't believe everything you read until you guys either do it, believe it for yourself. That makes sense. I hope it does. Alright, boys and girls, thank you for coming on this walk with me again. I'm blessed. Thank you for allowing me to preach. You guys have a blessed day. And I'll see you when I see you.